Yeah, never find anyone like me. Unique. Yeah, you will never find anybody like me. Never ever, never ever, ever, ever. You will never find anybody like me. Yeah, I hope you treat the better, I hope you treat the nice, make you smile, girl. Yeah, you will never find anyone like me.
Yeah, man, a long time if you wake up, you lay down the day. What me, how you do to make you so tired? Go long me wait, about 2 hours me sit down inside wait for you to wake up. And what make your phone turn on? I have to just sleep. What you have in your eye? So make your phone turn on. You always have to turn on your phone at night time. You know, nobody call you.
Why not? Wait. Let me say, come on, yeah, tell me, say, wait, how much sleep it is?
Every day you sleep. You don't want nobody call your phone, you turn off your phone. If so, at night time I want to call you, I can't call you because you sleep then I can't call your phone.
Babes, the phone dead. I'm not turn off my phone.
So what make you not want to charge your phone at night time? At night time people charge their phone so they can wake up with full watch if you go work. Eh? I need to understand because what you don't make no sense. Your phone is supposed to charge, you have to think about phone dead. Turn on the phone because it's not dead. You like me an idiot?
Why made it? Why you do
Plug in and make me see if you're dead for true. You feel like me don't know say you have people already?
Why me I forget my treatment and then man? It's weird.
If you did charge your phone, you would get better treatment because I would say phone on and I don't have no reason for cuss because I know say we alright and you don't have nobody else who can work. But you have other people that say your phone off.
What do you mean you have other people?
I go to ask somebody in the community I talk to too. You know what I know, okay, you know I will get upset.
You can check the phone.
Plug in it.
The bills you can check.
Me not charge nothing.
What's in your hands?
And stop rubbing me down. I saw when you're up to your sneaks, you try to friend me up.
Really?
Me I look about some breakfast cause if I stand in here, he eat when I go burn down that.
Say I did me. It's weak. Babe. Phone out at what time? Babe.
Yes, babe.
Got some tea for me now.
Let's go get some tea.
Don't put too much sugar in. Don't put too much sugar in the tea.
I put powder and sugar me have to put in the water.
Babe.
I really feel like I'm up to something, you know. Why you have to turn off from phone from the sleep? You don't tell me about phone dead. Up to something, but we must find out. Granny always tell me so what's in the dark must come to light. You know. I have to find out one. Must find out. Give me the sugar. sweetie here.
Thank you, honey.
Oh, so that you turn up yourself, look my neighbor. So this is not enough for you. I mean, I make tea for you. All of this is not good enough for you. Don't worry yourself, man.
My dear Lord. What's really wrong with Sandra? Can somebody tell me what's really wrong with Sandra? It's like she don't even listen to what I tell her. Come like you go through one ears and fly back through the next. Boy. What can I do that will make her really understand me? Sandra,
Yes, babes.
one moment, honey. Let's have a prayer together.
Alright.
Yes. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow us all the days of our lives, and we will dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever. Amen. Honey, I love you.
I love you too, babes.
Babe,
Hmm?
love is the key.
Yeah, love is the key.
Love is the
Key.
Love is the
Key.
Love is the
Key.
key.
Love is the key.
Anyways, I have to go to work. I'm so excited. Right now.
I wish you a great day, babe.
So excited. I have to go to work.
What are you so excited about?
A new headline I heard about at work.
Okay.
It's like I have to get in on this because this piece is different. I'm so happy.
Okay.
Into it.
No?
Why are you so far from me? What's that?
Hey. Alright. I was just leaving out there. You just run across the mind and you had to call. Yeah? For real? Really? Wait, let me take a look. Hold on a minute. I see it in the headlines, you know. Unfair rates. Look at that. Hey, I say it's a whopping headline. Right now it's burning up the newsfeed. But hey, I'm gonna make it over there. Don't say a word. I'm gonna come over there right now.
Who you talk to? I want to make you so happy.
Honey, you couldn't wait till me actually hang up the phone properly.
But yeah, laugh, I'm not get no joke.
That was a friend from work, you know.
What kind of friend? Male or female?
Really?
Say you not answer me.
What do you mean I'm not gonna answer? It's a.
So what she call it so early? She could wait till they reach her work.
I didn't even tell you if it's a male or female. It's a female though, honey.
Same
But
thing.
she's just telling me about.
So when you not work in the same place, why she have to call up to tell about headlines? You know work at a newspaper company.
Oh my God. Honey. I want to say my work with her there, but she just a call me for
You're not an excuse.
Ah.
Let's go on now.
Watch. Look at this. Look. Oh my God. Why you think me and everybody in a something? Why? Like, honey, we're not. Listen. Look out through the window. Look through the window. Sunny and bright early morning, and this me I have to wake up to every morning.
Tell your co-worker them if you don't call us so early, wait till you reach her work or when you come out of the house. She calling what she call for. As me you just never finish the conversation but she come interrupt. You tell about headline. So headline sweet, you know.
Oh my God. Sandra. Honey, relax now. Everything is gonna be okay now. Just relax now.
It's not okay now. It's not okay
Relax,
until you put a ring on it.
So
When we get married, it's okay.
We'll be married
5
soon.
years, but you wait pan.
Sandra, we'll be married soon, Sandra.
Soon, you go wait till when are we dead?
Sandra, we'll be married soon, Sandra.
Options speak low that 5 years I tell me that. From the first year we there, we should have married as a matter of fact.
From the first time.
Yeah, a long time we should have married.
Thought from the first time to marry
Then
you.
not time to manifest. If I will continue to give up problems until we're married now, because unless we tied to each other, I don't think you're safe. Feel like they go thief you from me.
Nobody's not gonna steal me from you, Sandra. What type of speech is that? Why you think this?
Why is your co-worker calling us so early? Why you look so good at go work, by the way? You need to put on some old clothes go work, because I don't want anybody being attracted to you. And don't come in here till the next month.
You're easy, you know? You're not easy.
Because I feel like so now go play games with me.
So you're not easy. Stop it and be yourself, because you know someone love you.
Prove it.
I'm going to marry you. Show you.
This year of the pass.
Gonna work.
Have a good day. Love you.
I love you too, baby. Later.
Watch her. Watch her. That's all she do, you know. Turn up a take selfie like with her body like so she feel like she want a big body. And then you alone have big body, friend. Mine not big enough, but it neat and firm. That's all I do. Watch her. Stand up every day. And especially when she know my man I get ready for her work, she stand up out this morning time. In her little shorts. Watch her. Worry yourself, man. Have something for me. Me find out here over me yard. Me find out so I'm going to country over here. Don't like her. Cha.
Hold on, I don't know if I think properly or I think straight, but I literally want to rewind my brain back to everything we just said. Yo, repeat back everything we just said to me because it sounds so oomphed, brother. Like it oomph up. Like, I really want to hear it back again. Repeat, tell me more.
Brother, as I'm been a tell you, say, this is a story or something I know say official. Because everybody have a neighbor, right? You have a neighbor, me have a neighbor, don't it?
True.
Everybody have a neighbor. And this is just about two neighbors where them have relationship, you see me? And the two of them have face trouble in the relationship and you end up one of the neighbor going over the next door going and cheat with the next neighbor. You see me? The woman, one of the neighbor, the woman, you see me, just because fear man give him problem, she gang and cheat with one next door. Brother, me know say this is a story or something shot. Officer, me not ask. You see me? Me not ask. And you supposed to know this. Because friend have a neighbor, right? You know, you know say yo, neighbor story or something happen everywhere.
Yeah.
Ever they happen. You see me?
Neighbor situation.
Neighbor situation ever they happen. You see me? So this is a story of something official. People gonna gravitate towards it. You know, me know say this I wanna have to get the big boss. You and me myself would have look for it's right if myself and put you out, you know. Zine, but it's just because I have a medium when you have. Zine, me just sell it to you for your little food, brother. Zine, but I know for your fact that this is something going to skyrocket to the next level, brother. Zine, anytime you're ready, just link me and I send you the whole entire story. Trust me, this is a story of something I guarantee you have to sell. You see if this not sell, nothing else not sell.
Well, I test it out and see how it really works. Because it sounds really interesting and it grab my attention like a thesis statement. Yeah man, like really have me thinking out of the box kind of story, bro.
Cool, no, brother. We don't trade AI in here. So when you get the full written version of it, you yourself wouldn't believe. You probably didn't even want to give your boss, you probably want to try sell it yourself. You see me? You didn't even want to make your boss know say yo. You see me? Him can publish this. Him probably take it for himself if you give me. To fish out how this a story is serious. See? This is something you will sell hotter than hot bread.
Alright, tell her.
Me have a figure, man. Know yourself, man. Just link me when you're ready and you will get the story.
Good chat this, brother, cause right now I really feel like I feel cool, but goosebumps just by listening.
Alright then.
You know,
so you get a feeling and follow me and show you say it's a good selling story. Alright. Me love it so you see what I go on, you know. Just have to link me when you're ready, brother.
yeah man, I do right thing.
Alright then.
I do right thing.
Me expecting the show, brother. Me
Yeah,
expecting
man.
the show, because I'm looking forward to the
Yeah,
business.
man.
And we have plenty more from that, you know. We have plenty more, so just link me when you're ready. Yeah, it feels.
So,
Alright, Imogen.
So how babes ever tell me about this story? Wow. Very interesting points. His writing is getting better. I love it. I hope none of them girls gonna help him write this.
Sis,
Who that? Who that?
sis, I mean man. You mean say how that?
Oh, it's all like my brother.
Open the door, man.
My brother, that man. Oh, I want bro. Come in.
Come on, you take it in the door.
Open me up. Long time in the
You
say.
mean say how this?
I never recognize the voice, man.
There,
I must
man.
say change voice regular. You know.
Some big man. How you read?
You know, say, our babes article I did read.
Yeah,
You know, say, my own best friend, tell them if you come to me.
that me I hear about because a whole lot of people not talk about him out the streets, you know.
Yeah, he's got connections. But differently still, your music are going good. I love the song you send me over there.
Yeah, man,
It's
it
tough.
sound good,
I
but
send
I
it to
know
enough
say-
of my friend them.
Yeah, I want to send a couple more on the song, but I want to make
Them
that.
all play it in one club. I'm up here, but I'm over there. For real thing.
Yeah.
Girls, I'm love it, man.
No, man. But in a real life, I want to make that good.
For true. You know, so I make him set up an interview for you.
See,
But so bigger too, you know.
I mean, even if you tell her that, you should have just...
A real talk. I show we need a tooling. Yeah. When I real mates, I go talk to him about it.
In a real
We are
life.
free for married now.
See? Alright, man.
How you not to look for me now?
You know, so me have to out in the streets same way. You see me, but if you out there still, but you know, say sister, the 10 grand I can't link you about still when I talk to you about family.
Why, bro? Nah, tell no lies still, you know. They can leave for about a month. Not too go on like that, because I know Babes not get no raise. Him keep on telling me if he get raise, I know him can't get no raise. So I love to get the 10 grand, but I don't have it. All 5 grand I never have to get.
See, so I link you for a long time, sis. I tell you for a long time you want to.
Bro, I tell you the truth. But I get it if I did have it, I don't have it no more. So you look on differently.
I don't say in a real life, you really want the money still alone because you know say we have some song I made with and I forget to mix same way and the producer they lit me away stars and really need it because you see me. I have to finish the song so I can put you out there, you know, so when the money start coming, me and you both same way because you go the benefit
of it. Say if you sell some weed or something, you know, bro.
John, sister move like you need one, give me money. Better say me tell me about touch. Oh, big body girl, you know, give me money. Alright, watch your side. Still, sis. You know what I say? If you talk to your boy about touch, still need to watch him, you know. If you watch him, man, because if another day they see him with some, you want a big body girl down the road that day, isn't me? One big body girl and the girl brown and smooth, same way, sis.
I want to answer, which part I see him with girl?
No downtown.
And you know, see me, I have a feeling, say, boy, I give me bun for true. Just a while ago, I cussed him, you know. Alright, watch me
life, man. I joke with life.
You can't believe, say,
you
really
need to put him in a place.
And we live in a community and in a community with girl.
Yeah, true because you're my sister. And you love me not to make a step to you, you know, because I like to see some things.
Yo, the man that make me a pretty evil, you know, brother.
Joke thing still, but...
Thanks for telling me still. I appreciate it, you know, because I don't know what I'm going to just have a feeling now you confirm everything. So now I know if you're fuck. I have evidence say my cheat.
I go get some picture for show you.
Get them car count.
I
want them.
Still like, I really want the things still on sister.
Or yourself, man. Me go see what me can do. I'm supposed to have some money around here. Or yourself. Yeah, my brother, you know. I'm a brother. I have to come from my girl. Yeah, I know see you have something to tell me. That's why I have to go on. So I come like say if my name will out and then go tell me
sometimes I feel like saying a rate.
Are you not rate me? Call look there. I have to will out for you give me info.
So it's G. You know, say I'm a nigga same way, so I can't too. You see me, but you are my sister, you are my blood, so I have to make it.
Everything good.
I have to make it know the road.
It's good, man. I smoke come on.
Let me get some water, same way still.
Alright, let me get some water.
Boy, you see woman 10 stars. Go easy, me get the 10 grand and I move like Saint Evil, you don't want give man stars. I realize I should have to touch still, you know. Channel style, go easy, me get the 10 grand and I move like Saint Evil, you don't want give me stars. Still me if you have to touch still, you know. You want to put me in the green or same way so people can see my music more, but if you don't have to do still. You see me? No, I'm still.
work hard. This thing doesn't smell right. Stolen. Yo.
Babe! Baby, alright?
Yeah man. Just my belly hurt me. Yeah.
See, my brother did right. A better baby you want to be about diarrhea. I can't believe this. After all I do for you, I wash for him, I cook for him, clean for him, I motivate him, everything I do for him in a father God. And he's still a cheat fam. Can't believe this. It's like I'm not enough. The only thing I'm off by the brain and this big body here, my brother tell me about. See? Run coming in about diarrhea. And him know say I cheat him and cheat on me, you know. What to do? Wait till we come out that bathroom. Put there up the area. Make it up the area this evening.
That was a relief. Honey, what are you doing, girl?
Babes, what's wrong with you?
Honey.
Sandra, what's wrong? Come on, get up. Yeah, get up. What's wrong? Come.
What's wrong? What's wrong? You're wrong, Taj, because you're cheating on me.
Me cheating on you?
You know you're cheating on me, and you go at your woman yard today. She can't even cook. See, you have running belly, she should have pies, you know.
You with this again. What do you mean me cheating on you?
You know you're cheating on me. And me get good source information say you're cheating on me. May I have evidence?
You have evidence of me cheating on you?
Good eyes see and tell me. Me know you're cheat, Pam. I can't believe you're cheat, Pam. After 5 years, I heard that people married.
What do you mean? Sandra, calm down. I'm not cheat on you.
Oh God, I can't believe me waste 5 years of my life with you.
Why you always do this, Sandra? Why you always do this? Me a cheat on you?
5 years. See? I was saying I cheat for 3. So all this time, you know, I'm a cheat. I make me feel like I'm me the bad person. All this time, you know? All this time. I believe it.
Come, babes, stop your foolish. Come to bed. Come to bed. Sandra, come. Hey, wake up, man. Come to bed, come. Come on to bed now. Why you out here doing like this?
I'm hurt.
What do you mean you're hurt? What's wrong?
You're cheating on me.
You have no logics, no proof, no form of evidence that I'm cheating on you. Sanjay, you need that. You need logics, proof and evidence, and you can't provide or show me none of that. Why you keep on telling me something I cheat by you, Sanja?
Oh no, I just feel like that's what you're doing. Alright, let's go to bed.
Easy.
I love you.
I love you too.
So why it takes so long to say it?
Is yourself. Yo, Chris, I'm telling you, man. Chris, I'm telling you, man, this story, man, yo, it's something different, it's something heartwarming, it's something breathtaking, man, I'm telling you.
Boss, I tell her before I get a story.
Yo, you don't even know what's happening right here,
I
man.
tell her say this go be the story for you. Zane and this office character. Nice doing business with you.
Yo, what you think about being a ghostwriter for me?
There's no problem. I tell her already, bossy. Say, I have more fear than anything already, and I have them fear, bossy.
Yo, respect, man, and yo, we gotta be keeping working together, man.
It's a must.
Yo,
We have to exchange all of the contact details. I will send them an email for me send the rest of the stories.
Yes.
And then we move on from there. But I have no problem working with your man. It's a beautiful story in itself. Have it there, man. We should go have a drink, you know. You know, so we should go have a drink for all of this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Come on.
Yo, we gotta leave this place, man. Yo, even my work hours. Yo,
The drinks on me. Because it's called the boss me. The drinks on me. Come on.
Hold on, let me close this up.
Bro, we tell you you need to worry yourself. I talked to him already and he's going to do it.
Make sure you know, sis, because when I tell me say go work out and work out, you know, man.
He's gonna do it. You know, see him turn big right now.
You see, that's what I want to make you work out, sis.
He is going to. Now worry yourself, man. Babes! Touch!
Hey.
Come here, the babes. Delinquent out here. He want to sit, he want to talk to you. Mood out and talk so confident and
Alright. Oh, God, me G. There, man, everything.
What do you mean?
Me hear about you, me G.
What, God?
Me hear about the big story, them in there, right?
Yeah, what? Touch it.
I saw you for them, boy, me G. I like you.
What do you mean, man? I put in the work, man. You see how I just did it, brother, and just
Me and sis just did that top, boy.
fly off. Right now, I top the charts, brother. I don't say, well, you know, say, they're not gonna say, but, you know.
G, just go and do it. Isn't it?
Yeah, man, now stop.
Isn't it?
Few great ideas coming out of this brain, boy.
Yeah, man. But,
So everything good, though?
yeah, G, you know, so man, come link sis see me and come give her one link see me. Isn't it, so? Sis, you know. Isn't
I have to be right now enjoy, bro. You don't even enjoy my youth. I tell you.
Alright, so bro, come give me a talk. Come give me a talk right now, so now.
Me and bro in the kitchen. Yeah, man, just put one, bro.
Forward, man, G.
Yeah, man. So you're saying, no, bro, G?
You know, so me there, I just come give sis a one link and me say me go and give her one link so for choke. Me I hear about it, I do hope you put in holy power in me, G.
What do you mean, brother? You
So
have to. You have to. In these times, you have to.
Yeah, so if you do it, man. And you know, so still when I talk to sis, I'm going to sis, bro, say, yo, if you could give me a buzz pan here, same writing script and just put in my paper for me, same way. Because I know some men doing music, I'm going to get.
Oh, you mean delinquent, man? I want to, brother.
Is it me?
Delinquent. Remember, say me have family in the youth.
Yeah, that, you know.
Yo,
I'm
look
gonna
at it
get
this
out
way.
there.
Look at it this way. Look at it this way. I'm with your sister. That simply mean we're practically brothers.
Yeah, that, man.
Just check
That
it.
enough
We're
for
practically brothers.
Is
I
it me?
mean, that's nothing, bro. I can't help you. Yo, come like, yo. You never hear about PROLONGDFILM?
You know, so me hear about the G for real and the dog shoot some bad video because I see a couple of them with him now.
In the
See
newspaper,
couple of
I
them.
put it.
Yeah.
I mean, I write that in the newspaper right now. I tell you something hot a road. In the newspaper headline.
Gee, that's what I want to give me a buzz.
Movies, like they
G.
make movies, world breathtaking movies.
Yo, right now, let me all feel.
Yo, don't say a word,
Not
man.
even
That's
jealous.
simple.
Me didn't even know the word they start, but
Yo, hear me as a delinquent. Don't say a word, man. You're family, brother.
make sure energy come on get out there. Cause when I get out there, the whole of it
Yeah,
out there
man,
see me,
man.
you know,
So
you see me?
that's a plus to the
Yeah.
family. Just check it.
Yeah,
Just check it. Your sister, me love her so for you.
make sure you know.
What do you mean,
Make sure
brother?
energy, cause
Love
I
her,
protect
man.
my sister same man.
Yeah,
I know, so
bro.
me have to have fear head back out the same way. You see me? You see me,
I
G?
tell her.
But
Yo.
still, you can't get out for drink.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Alright, then do that then, fam.
Yo, just.
Ah, my G.
Celebration time,
Hey, man. Come, Jaja. Like, everything I work my way to them, man.
Yo, I want different type of fizzy, then call this fizzy. Fizzy, then call this.
You say they call it?
Fizzy.
Eh.
Fizzy, like English people. Call this fizzy. Yo,
You know you're talking bubble up.
it's like a wicked type of liquor, I have alcohol in it.
Nice, man. Strong too. Where you get it, G? Find out where I come from.
Brother, you know, you tell us me a top chat. Come I cannot understand. I saw the people come and put all gift basket for me desk and
Yo! You're out there, fam! You're out there!
tell me.
Alright, man, I say, yo, I saw for you live every day, my G. You see me?
A celebration, man. Yo, bless up.
Respect me, G.
I say, yo, just send me full name.
And sis can give all of that, man. You see,
True,
but
true.
anything I want to do, so link sis, I can link me. Make sis give me number, me give her a call, I can show it, me see me, you see me?
Sure.
I'm only a see me instead, you see me? But,
Sure.
see, I say, I go take a run on the road then before we get, you see me? Because I know some man of you
I
out
know
there
I think, I
and
know how
put
the
in your
night
work,
sit, alright? My place dark about it, don't you, boy?
G, just go and put in your work, you see me? If anything, if I need any help or anything, me out there still, you see me? Just do the
You know,
right
say you know the streets, so you know, you know, easy, you know, man.
Aye, man.
Yo, let's do the right thing. But there I go and take a sip and right now, me celebrating night tonight. Yo, go on here, go on here.
That's motherfucker time, alright, fam?
Outside.
G.
Outside, boy.
But watch out, you see me, hold on. Bless up, my G.
Outside. What that time? Babe.
Touch. Something not sitting well with me about that story that you heard.
What
I
do you mean,
know
sir?
you're right, that story about the big body girl next door, you know. About you're gonna get married. You're gonna get married? What? Are you serious?
What?
Oh, so you take me for a fool?
You talk about? Wait. Auntie, why you keep on accuse me?
You know it's true.
Why you keep on accuse me for things that I not do?
You're not denying it though.
What do you mean I not deny it? There's nothing there to deny.
I can't believe I really did this to me, Touch. And my brother tell me, no. My brother tell me same see you the other day with girl. My brother tell me.
Chat about what you? What are you doing with you? Eh? For real in a real life, this is a life of what you? Sandra, you alright? You good? You alright in your head?
Listen to me.
Your brother tell you what? See much
Him
woman.
see you with the girl. Him see you with the big body girl the other day. No, you're right, article. And get fame. I don't even care about you getting famous and getting raised and all of that, you know. You're right about next girl. Twisting it the story to make it look like it's not you. So you're planning to leave me to marry the girl next door. After 5 years.
Sanja. Sanja, look at me, Sanja. Sanja. Sanja, look at me. I love you. Like, I wouldn't even have you if me never love you. Listen. I love you. Are you hearing me properly? Like, the words that are coming out of my mouth? What type of person would I be to be writing about our own relationship in the paper?
That's exactly what you did. Taking me for a fool.
Sanja,
Everything keeps adding up.
Sanja, baby,
Don't baby me, Touch.
calm down. Just calm down. Calm down. Calm down. And stop behaving like that. Stop work up yourself, so. For nothing at all.
Not all.
Because you know, how much time you see same thing. Just calm down. Write a story. The story actually make we not have to worry about paying
Yes.
bills anymore. Like,
The only person who is happy right now is you, Touch. I can't relate.
I mean, okay. Any video we smile,
Out you gone work and my brother say you don't road with girl.
stop that. Just stop it. Stop it. Just stop that. Stop it, Sanja. Just stop that. Stop. Stop, please. Just stop.
Don't worry yourself, man. I have a solution.
Raise up. Raise up. Ease up, like, go out more on the bed. Out more, Sanja.
I don't want to sleep, Touch. Leave me alone.
Every time are the same thing. Every time. Just stop.
We'll see. Touch. Babes. Babe. I'm so sorry about how I've been behaving. For the past 5 years, I've been like nagging and annoying. And I'm really, really sorry. And I've really been listening to what you've been saying, especially before you fell asleep. And I feel like I've come to my senses. And I think it's time for us to celebrate the new life. Yes. That's my mom. Mwah.
Wait. That's it.
We're celebrating new life, baby.
Say, understand me now.
No more nagging about the neighbor next door and all that nonsense. It's time for us to enjoy life without all that baggage. It's It's not necessary.
True.
Yeah.
True.
Enough is enough.
True.
I'm glad.
Whoa. Sanja. Whoa. I can't even believe. I believe you, eh?
Love you so much, Dad.
Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm just so happy right now that I can't even speak.
It's okay, baby. I know you're not used to me like this.
Hold on. Give me 1 minute, Sanjay. Hold on.
You okay, baby? It's a good life. Babe. Why?
Mamas, how do you think, man? Why? Brother, what do you think really going?
Boy, skinny. To me still in now. This is like a poison. The man poison, the woman still in now.
Mamas, you know it's the same thing. It's the same point of view I had. Trust me, it's the same thing I was thinking about. What a report. Brother?
I just believe say that the young man poisoned the young lady, you know.
And she just nice young girl now.
She just
Bright
nice,
future
yeah.
and she look like she nice.
20s.
Yeah, nice young girl.
Yeah.
I can't really believe, say, that this young man here and go poison woman and then he poison man and he kill himself, you know.
Same thing I pray. Obviously, same thing I pray. And it evidently and very vivid too. Why? Then nowadays, man, you know what wrong with them? Them chip. I said them call it in the street, chip.
Chip.
Yeah. When them see the Barbie doll them. Man like them, man.
Them worse than the unsold man them in the street.
Brother. And the Barbie doll clone you call them, man. What you call them?
Barbie doll clone.
Correct.
Quite nice brownie man. You will kill off the woman.
Boy, me I tell you. Check. 1 second, brother.
Boy, this reporter is a really bad report still. Come on, person, like nice girl, man. Oh God. How are you going with this around you now? Oh man, remember say I work with the pan, you know, man.
Give me a second, brother. You know, last support when it's massive here. When I keep like here and see about right. Well.
Hey, man. You don't even know people they put pears in the melon. They gonna cut the melon.
I don't run forensic on the side. You're safe, man. You're good. You're good, man. Yeah? You know,
You're so sure say no,
sweet, man. Hey, Bamas. See this time? It's also nice, cute, round, fabulous. Brother. Hear me say, Bamas.
I listen to you, man. I listen to you.
Bamas.
Come.
You see, this time, me, I will go first. You Where?
Skinny. What do you mean by you go first, Skinny?
I just charge up Viagra.
Skinny. You and this nastiness. But you go first.
I drop now. So you really believe me? I'm a prank you. A prank you get prank.
No man, Skinny, you're too nasty, man. Oh boy.
You know your phone already.
Yeah, nasty too. Watch out.
Oh, Melissa.
Hello. Who you mean by women there? Now work me there. Every time in the work you ask me who me there. And me ask you where you there. Right now me there on a crime scene now, which part a man poisoning woman. Hear me say. I'm finish the crime scene, me call you back. Yeah? Skinny. This damn woman Skinny.
Well, listen. No, you have to listen me now. I work with the fun, see? I work with the fun and you know, so when they work, see? When they work, you work. And one I think you have to understand with relationship, a matter of fact, balance, that same word. relationship. Let me break it down in 2 parts for you, Bamas, alright? You listen keenly, right?
Yeah.
You're in a relationship, but apparently you're not focused enough on looking at the inside to see what's really going on. Alright? So listen. Listen, Bamas. Relationship comes with 2 words. 2 words. Relay for running. Race. Woman, I always think them for run things. I always think them can tell her when, where, how. And it's like a ship that only sink. A ship that only sink. I always like that, bro. But you see, with understanding in our relationship can eliminate the whole relay and running things for them way. You know, woman run things for them way. You understand? And if it not run for them way, it's like it not make no sense. You understand? But a relationship with understanding can let that ship float and sail to its destination. You understand?
Yeah,
So,
man, skinny man. You understand?
your man call your brother half an hour ago. Half an hour? Half an hour, brother? And I call her back and you already tell her. You remember me on location when she call you and I'm in the on location now. So when me I tell her, bro, it's not like a hearsay. You understand what I mean? Every relationship need understanding, bro. If there's no understanding, it make no sense and it doesn't have to end violently. Because if it have to end violently, that even clearly enough shows vivid. It's not a relationship that based on understanding.
So what I think about this one here now?
Well, between me and Abamas, differently still the man poison the woman because she cheap on him. And you know the daddy thing go with the daddy clown them.
But there's no other way. You can see the situation right now.
Boy, this look like an insecure forensic report.
Boy, skinny. Yes, I hope and pray say me and my woman in a situation, you know.
You need to fix that big man thing. Because you know you always I know. Man alone buys no woman. Woman buys a man too. So, me now want to report your crime scene.
Yeah, that's
alright. So, you know what, go on. Get your body back.
Get your body back and come
yeah,
back.
now go on. Examine the female because I want to sample it later, you know.
Skinny, me know how you stay so skinny. You just
Go on.
powerful.
You go on. You don't say a joke, man. Me look like one of them dolly clown that here, so me show. Backside. Why? Poor thing. Brother, why you have to do it? Why? Backside.
Come think say one in your touch, you know.
Watch it, man.
Come in.
All have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny. What a bombshell. Sophie Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, you know, watching the movie, liking, share, comment. You know, whether good comment or bad comment, we still appreciate you guys because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, you know, whether have to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal because we love doing movies, you know. Movies, a thing that we do every day, you know, it's a love, it's a passion, you know. So I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, you know, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult or it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, you know, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, you know, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, you know, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, you know, help us to grow bigger and better, you know. So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know, and we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was a good project for us because we spend more time that way normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, you know, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like, you know, maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, you know, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like we can use for props, any books or anything. If you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, you know, we'd appreciate it, same, because we can use them in movies, same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper, everything is actually from here, you know, because I actually watched the movie in my head before I came able to even film it, you know. So whatever props you guys have to give, we really appreciate it financially, anyway, any means of way of helping us to get better, you know, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, you know, commenting, tell us what you think, you know, what you dislike and what you like, you know, it really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer, but we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, what you call it, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time we had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, you know. But it's the love. When you love something, you know, you spend time and, you know, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, you know. So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, you know, working on sound and working on acting skills. Cash, you know, good actor. And then you have Bamas. Bamas is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. You know, he's trying to, you know, develop the quality of the sound, whether sound effects or the recording. You know, Bamas, that's Bamas, sound engineer, you know. And then you have the actor now, one Taj, you know. Yeah, one Taj, the actor, is a good one, you know. So guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, you know, more time into the movies. You know, we had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to go about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 5 movie for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollars so you can survive for the next month. You know, so guys, help us to only produce one movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, you know, sound, acting skills, you know, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, you know. Send us a lot of prayer and love, you know. Pray God bless us also, you know, and we love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny, what a bombshell, so for sure, love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.